Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Discord RTC connecting error on Windows 11. To fix that, this is called quote-unquote RTC connecting or quote-unquote no route error on Windows. The most effective first step are to reset your voice settings. So open Discord and click the gear icon, or it's called user settings. Inside, you're gonna go ahead to the side panel and find voice and audio, right? So let me, voice and audio here. Inside, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down and head, or scroll all the way down and hit reset, so you can reset all voice and video settings, right? And then you're gonna restart Discord. Next, flush your DNS. Corrupted DNS cache often blocks Discord servers from establishing a connection. So press the window key and type CMD. So press the window key, type CMD. Sorry, this is CMED. So CMD. And you're going to open the command prompt. So I already opened it. So I'm going to go ahead here. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to type ipconfig /flush DNS, right? ipconfig /flush DNS. You're gonna press enter. That will make you delete or flush all your DNS cache or all the DNS corrupted caches. Now, what you're gonna do, after you hit enter, you're gonna close the command prompt and relaunch Discord, right? That should fix your problem. Lastly, check for VPN or antivirus interface. Discord requires direct network routing. If you are using VPN, make sure to disconnect it. Check your third-party antivirus software or Windows firewall settings to ensure Discord is whitelisted and not being blocked. So, in my case, I didn't download any VPN, or I'm not using actually any third-party Windows antivirus. So in your case, if you fit on both of these categories, then you need to check your third-party antivirus software or Windows firewall to ensure Discord is not whitelisted and basically not being blocked. So with that being said, consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.